Meet the Sensi Touch 2 Smart Thermostat, the next evolution of smart thermostats from Emerson. The Sensi Touch 2 features a modern design and enhanced user interface, all with the energy-saving features and 100 years of HVAC experience homeowners have come to expect from Sensi. Plus, it's the first Sensi smart thermostat compatible with our new room sensors, designed to monitor temperature and humidity levels in your home and help manage hot and cold spots for greater comfort and control. The Sensi Touch 2 smart thermostat was designed with pros in mind. They install like standard thermostats and have extensive compatibility on residential systems. Sensi thermostats are compatible with single-stage, multi-stage, and heat pump systems. They also control combined heat pump, gas furnace, dual fuel systems without needing an outdoor sensor or any additional control devices. And if a homeowner has a whole house humidifier or dehumidifier, it can be controlled by the thermostat. All Sensi Touch 2 smart thermostats require a common wire for power. Make sure to register every Sensi thermostat using Contractor mode. This automatically adds your digital branding to every Sensi Touch 2 smart thermostat you install, keeping you top of mind when a customer needs maintenance or service. Your company information will appear on the Sensi Touch 2 sleep screen, in the Customer Sensi app, monthly usage reports, service reminders, and smart alerts by following these easy steps. After downloading the Sensi app, sign into your Sensi account with your email address on your smartphone or create one now. Press and hold the Sensi logo at the top of the app dashboard for 5 seconds. If you don't already have a Sensi Partner Program account, tap Become a Sensi Partner. If you already have an account, tap OK. Tap Contractor mode at the top of the dashboard. The first time you use Contractor mode, the Sensi app needs to find your company information that you supplied when you registered at sensiregistration.com. Enter the phone number used to register to proceed. Select Register Thermostat and scan the code on the back of the thermostat. That's it. You can register additional thermostats or select Back to return to the Contractor mode menu. Before installation, ask the homeowner to download the Sensi app to their iOS or Android device and create an account. This is also a good time for the homeowner to gather their Wi-Fi network name and password. Make sure the customer has a 2.4 GHz network, not a 5 GHz network. The Sensi Touch 2 Smart Thermostat box contains the following items: a thermostat with base, screws and anchors, wire labels, an install guide, and a welcome guide. Turn off the power to the heating and air conditioning system at the breaker box or the switch next to the furnace. Remove the old thermostat's cover and take a photo of the existing wiring before disconnecting them from the thermostat base. If you see a jumper wire, remove it. The new thermostat has the jumper built in. Do not remove any other existing wires at this step. In the app, choose the letters that correspond with terminals with wires attached. Please note a C wire is required. Choose the terminal labels that have wires attached to them. The app will tell you if you have a valid configuration. Next, identify the furnace type. Select either gas, electric, or boiler/radiant. Disconnect wires, labeling them with the included wire labels as you go if preferred. Remove the old thermostat base. Mount the new thermostat base using the supplied screws. Use the attached bubble level to ensure that it's straight. One by one, insert each wire into the corresponding terminal. The Sensi Touch 2 Smart Thermostat base has easy-click terminals, so there's no need for additional tools. Refer to the equipment manufacturer's instructions for specific system wiring information. This example describes the thermostat terminal functions. RC powers cooling. RH powers heating. C is for the 24-volt common wire. OB is the changeover connection for heat pumps, zone valves, or zone panel systems. Y energizes the first stage of the compressor for air conditioners or heat pumps. G energizes the fan as needed. Y2 star energizes the second stage of the compressor. WE is the first stage of heating for conventional systems. For heat pump systems, WE is for backup heat as well as auxiliary heat. W2 star energizes the second stage of heating for conventional systems. For heat pump systems, it energizes the second stage of backup heating. It can also be used to control a whole home dehumidifier. ACC- is used to control a whole home humidifier with 2 wires. Make sure to set the dry contact switch on the back to accessory. ACC+ is used to control a whole home humidifier using a single wire. Make sure the switch on the back is in the system position. The Sensi Touch 2 Smart Thermostat electrically connects the RC and RH terminals, so a jumper wire is not required. If the application provided a separate wire for RC and RH, clip the RC-RH jumper. Clipping this wire will isolate both terminals so they can be used independently. Push the thermostat cover onto the base until it's secure. Now that the thermostat is installed, turn on the power to the heating and air conditioning system. Configure the thermostat to match the system type by pressing Menu, Advanced Setup, and then HVAC Equipment. The default settings are for a 2-stage air conditioner, a 2-stage electric furnace, reversing valve set to O, and no additional accessories. Press Configure to adjust these for your homeowner. A configuration menu is also available in the printed install guide. Outdoor equipment is used to select AC or heat pump equipment, as well as the number of stages. Be sure to set this to AC1 for single-stage systems, or HP1 or HP2 for single or multi-stage heat pumps. Indoor equipment is used to select whether the equipment is an electric or gas furnace, or fan only. Be sure to set this to EL1 for single-stage electric, or GA1 or GA2 for single or multi-stage gas systems. When the reversing valve position is configured for O, it is energized in cooling. This will cover most applications. Some manufacturers, such as Rheem or Ruud, use the B terminal, which would energize in heating. If you have a 3-wire zone hydronic system, you will want to set this to 6. If a humidifier is wired to the thermostat, tap Additional Accessories, change the humidifier setting to Yes. If a dehumidifier is wired to the thermostat, change the dehumidifier setting to Yes. The Wi-Fi connection process should be done from the homeowner's iOS or Android device. Make sure the homeowner's device is connected to the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network that they want to connect to Sensi. On the customer's phone, ask them to download the Sensi app using the App Store, and then sign in to their Sensi account. If they don't have an account, one can be created on the sign-in screen. Tap Plus in the top left corner, tap Sensi Touch 2 Smart Thermostat, then tap Connect to Wi-Fi. On the thermostat, tap Menu in the top left corner, then Wi-Fi. Tap Connect. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on in phone settings. The homeowner will need to scan the displayed QR code on the Sensi Touch 2 screen to connect through Bluetooth technology. If they have trouble scanning the QR code, tap Display PIN on the thermostat to manually enter the code in the Sensi app. Select the Wi-Fi network and enter Wi-Fi password as prompted. Finally, they will be prompted to name and register their thermostat. If you used contractor mode to pre-enroll this thermostat, this step is complete. Otherwise, you should now enter your Sensi Partner Program phone number so you are the first contact for this customer. Your installation is complete. Now your customer will be able to enjoy easy and convenient control of their home comfort. The Sensi Touch 2 Smart Thermostat may be paired with up to 15 Sensi room sensors to monitor room temperature and humidity. Sensi room sensors are sold separately. Should you encounter any problems with the Sensi Touch 2 Smart Thermostat after installation, be sure to check the troubleshooting section in the printed install guide. Make sure to leave the Sensi welcome guide for your customer. It provides helpful information about key features of the thermostat in the app and customer support. Visit sensihelp.com for access to support articles, instructional downloads, and comprehensive support videos. Our highly trained Sensi support team is available for you or your homeowners 7 days a week.